Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna talk all about interior design and home decor trends in 2022. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Asma Diab. I'm an interior architect, and in my channel you're gonna find all topics about home decor and interior design tips to help you to decorate and design your space. Well, we have seen home decor and design trends cycle in and out over the past year or so, some picking up steam and becoming full-blown phenomena, and others withdrawing back. And as we are looking forward to 2022, we became more aware for what works for our lifestyle and what reflects our personalities best in our homes. And actually, if the past year has taught us anything, it's that home should be a reflection of people who inhabit it and a place to create your own version of happiness. At the end of the day, trends are about more just a color or pattern you use. They are a great reflection of who you are and your personal signature in your lifestyle. So there is no right or wrong for trends in my opinion. It's like how you like it and how it's matching your personal life and matching each other's because they are create one cohesive space. And now let's start talking about what we are looking forward in 2022 and beyond in home decor and interior design trends. The first trend we have today is curved furniture and architecture line. Well, the sharp lines of mid-century modern will always be in, but more softening of furniture with curved edge and feminine shapes and forms. So we will focus on furniture being artwork in its own right and focus also marrying the form with function to create comfortability along with fun and cool space, which makes the room feel instantly more cozy and safe. And we are going to see rounded details in 2022, like the motifs will showing up a lot in millwork, stone backsplash detailing. So these motifs can work in so many different settings. And we're gonna see more softened corners and arches windows or doorways. We can expect to see an increase in curvilinear elements throughout the home. The second trend we have is sustainable design. So sustainable design is on trend right now. It has become a major issue for everyone as it should. And most designers are trying to learn what the best materials are to use for the long-term health of our ecosystem. Because sustainable materials lower your ecological footprints and add an exciting new feel to your home. So sustainable design is involved with such factors as determining efficient and effective use of space, selecting construction materials that offer low environmental impact and lower pollution, and how to apply that to your design by using sustainable materials like cork, bamboo, and reclaimed wood. You can use glass, natural stone, too many materials you can use in your design. You can guarantee that it's recyclable, and you can use also low or no VOC paint. So VOC stands for volatile organic compounds. So VOC is toxic to humans and animals and the environment. So by choosing low or no VOC paint, you are making a healthier choice for everyone. And I'm going to talk about that in details in separate another video on how to use sustainable materials in details and what are they and how to use it in your decor and your interior design. And also you can use sustainability in your thinking of design, like repurpose anything you have. An easy way to be eco-minded, repurpose. Take a look at items already in your home and think about how they can be given new life in different room. Maybe it needs a new coat of paint or reupholstering a favorite chair. Sticking with items that have already been produced is a great way to be kind to the planet. And this is the whole point of sustainability, to repurpose, recycling the materials. Don't waste the materials or create or use harmful materials to hurt or be harmful to the environment. The third trend is using a green and neutral color. So the great outdoors has proven to be a great source of inspiration for home design and decor over the past year. The new neutrals for home colors are actually natural colors. The past couple of years, people have had to spend more times outdoors, where the colors are always claiming and never too stark, too bright, or too loud. In 2022, we will see more designs brightening in those muted natural colors such as leafy greens. I'm talking about gray green shades, browns, like blue for the oceans and sky, sand beige, cloudy whites, and more into your home. So I always see green has always worked beautiful in interior design. The idea to bring the outdoors inside, because studies showed that having plants in your home can improve in concentrations and reduce stress levels. So again, people are trying to find ways to bring the outdoors into their homes. So using green here, it's not only for using plants in your home, it's also you can use in paint, like wall painting. You can use it like a masterpiece in your furniture, using a textile, curtains, or use it integrated with pattern in curtains or pillows, textile, and many more ideas. Trend number 4 here is vintage and reclaim. So this is my favorite trend actually. If you are kind of person like me who like old stuff and vintage and going to thrift a lot, you will love this trend. I always like the pieces which has a story behind. So where you can find this if it's not vintage and antique, you can find it in thrift stores or you can buy it from auctions. Many places you can find these antiques and vintage pieces. So the second-hand shopping has increased in popularity, especially when it comes to furniture and larger accessories. I expect to see vintage and antiques furniture again in popularity even more in coming years. And also with the increased raw material prices we have seen as of late, vintage pieces have become even more desirable. I have seen some stunning vintage pieces brought back to life with new upholstery and glitter finishing. I can tell pandemic forced our hand into getting even more creative. So think positive. Now, how we can use the vintage and antiques pieces in interior design. So love vintage and antiques doesn't mean you fill out your house with motifs and antiques, artwork, and make it crowded. So you can use it as like a focal point in your space, or use it as aesthetic place, or wall gallery, or antiques furniture piece. This is how to use it in your space without make it very crowded or load with too much details in one place. And also this trend works great with sustainable idea. So repurpose stuff, repurpose things and places, repurpose things and materials. It's kind of using or reclaim the material or the furniture. You can flip out your furniture into another new shabby chic piece. So the fifth trend today is no open plan and more specific closed spaces. So with the continuation of hybrid and remote work into 2022, flexible live/work spaces that needed now. And people are now wanting homes to be ideal places to not only live, but also places where they can work, where children can learn, and where multiple generations can live together. So, what we see every day in renovation and remodeling shows in the TV, knocking down all or most of the walls in the space to make it breezy, flow, open space, it's not here anymore in 2022. So, because more and more time spent at home creates the need for privacy, by creating niches and knocks that feel calm and private, we are adding walls and making openings in the wall instead of knocking down the whole wall. And by this opening, you can add, if you need to sometimes close or separate the two areas, you can add bifolding doors, you can add barn doors, or even curtains. So the more closed rooms, the more creative you can be. So by coming to the end of the video, I tried to wrap up all the new trends or most of the new trends in 2022. And again, trends, it's not like many, it's not right and wrong, it's just popular thing designers recommend this year. Like, as I always say, you don't have to follow all the trends. Like me, I don't have to follow all the trends for 2022. I love opening places. I love popping up colors. I will use green with gray, but I will also use another popping colors. So it's up to everyone. It's just personalize what you like in the trends, and you can consider what's useful in the trends. Like using sustainable materials is very important to everyone, to the environment. We keep our generation and the generation coming in the future safe. So I hope you can consider this trend for the upcoming years. It's really important to our life. So at the end, I hope you like the video. If you find this video helpful, please give this video a thumb up and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be updated every time I upload new video. And see you next time. Bye.